Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans ended Monday's session mixed in commercial spread adjustments, waiting to see what happens this week with China. Deputy-level trade negotiations are ongoing, with cabinet-level discussions set to start on Thursday. Past that, beans are watching late U.S. crop development and early harvest activity, and waiting to see what happens with South America's soybean crop. Corn ended the session modestly higher. Many forecasts have a pretty significant change in weather for parts of the northern Midwest and Plains later on this week, including sub-freezing temperatures and anywhere from 6 to 20 inches of snow in parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota are possible, at least in the forecast at this point. Corn development and harvest activity remains slower than normal as well. And wheat was mixed. Chicago and Kansas City are watching winter wheat planting, while Minneapolis is up on those forecasts for snow in the northern plains. Live cattle were mixed and feeders were lower ahead of this week's widespread direct business. This week's show list looks mixed when compared to last week. Feeders had additional pressure from that firm move in corn. And hogs were down sharply on supply and demand uncertainties, also waiting to see what happens with China. The United States and Japan did sign their free trade agreement on Monday afternoon. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.